Title Flower guys, welcome back to another episode, Sunday cooking episode here on our channel. It won't be Sunday cooking in Samoa, but it'll be Sunday cooking in Australia. So I'm actually on my way to the grocery store, and we'll see what we can do for Sunday toonai today. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share our channel guys, and we'll see you soon. I actually thought it was one of those spy balloons by the Chinese government. Yes. Alright, so these grocery stores are just probably a 15-minute walk from the hotel. So we're almost there. And then we'll head to Coles to see what's in store. So the whole point of today is not trying to buy everything I need for the cooking, but just enough, like on a budget kind of thing, so we can save money. Siuki suka Samoa. Orang mau buka ko suka. Kala valu kilo. So guys, just resting a bit and then I'm gonna start walking back home. Te ilo singkapa. Kiri lo pe fa ka ngau lo lo. Al mea mo nga ro son kwa fa sa le lo lo. Alkaun karskarik. Son mea maari ere savari Samoa asa ni savari Australia. Ja mo kai jätsel. Okay. guys, so finally arrived. Gonna head up to the room and then we'll unpack the groceries. Alright guys, welcome back. We're now in the room, so I'm just gonna quickly show you guys what we've got, the limited resource we have to try and fix Sunday toonai today. We've got this, I think it's called a compact cooker. So I actually made some pasta yesterday to test it out, which is really good. We'll set that to the side. We've got two burners here, and your keys are here, and then we've got an sort of like mini oven. Plus we also have a microwave. We've also got a microwave at the bottom, so that'll probably come in handy pretty soon. So I'm going to show you guys what we got from the shop, and then I'll probably get started cooking because I'm getting really hungry now. So we got lamb, we got pork, pak choy, salt, sugar. I needed sugar because I've got some coffee. Missed out on a lot of coffee. We got tomatoes. We've got a sweet potato, and then coffee, garlic powder. So as you can see there, very limited in our shopping today, but we'll try and make it work. We also, as I mentioned guys, my Fijian friend did help me out with shopping and paid for most. So we've got bread there, some noodles, tuna, rice, and some pasta sauce. And that's what I've been using mostly to cook food after our trainings when I come back home. And also for yesterday, we did pasta yesterday, just so that I could test out the oven. So I'm gonna get started now, so hope you guys enjoy today's cooking. So one thing I did forget to mention was we also have this electric frying pan, which is a great tool now to go with this. So this will greatly help us with our cooking today. If you're an islander, you know that as long as you got that electric frying pan, everything is set. So we're gonna make dinner now. We're gonna make toonai now. So we don't have a chopping board, so I'm just gonna probably use one of these containers, but I don't think I'll need it. I'm gonna need some oil. Yes, that fits perfectly on top of the compact cooker. So we're gonna actually leave it there and leave the space for our cooking. All right, so everything's all plugged in. Just to make sure that the alarm doesn't go off from the cooking, I'll probably need to turn on the fan. There we go. Seven looks good. All right, let's get cooking. So I'm just going to reheat this up again. This side. And then we'll wait for this to heat up. This was actually on special, which is why I bought it. Also, this one was on special. So we got it. Alright, oil is hot now, so quickly season this side of the pork before we throw it in. You don't want to over season. Add a bit of salt. Put the seasoned side down first inside the frying pan. And then we could probably put that in the fridge for later this week. Alright, so I'm just going to add one lamb and put the other one for sometime this week. So we'll just put that one aside and we'll season this one just with salt. Salt should be okay. I like to maintain the lamb flavor. And we're going to throw that. Gonna move some of this to the side so we can fit the lamb. There we go. Well, it's coming up to boil. Just gonna bring it down a little bit more to just so that it doesn't just a simmer. Alright, now we're just gonna season the second side. We'll probably flip sometime soon. Let's get started on the sweet potato. Now this is the first time this is not the first time I've cooked sweet potato, and before I usually just microwave it, so I'll show you guys how easy it is. Give it a wash. And now, this is the important part, you have to poke it. Place that in the plate, open up the microwave, pop that in there for about 13 minutes. All right. Almost time to flip these, and then we'll throw in the veggies. So just added a bit of salt back into this because I didn't have any salt yesterday, but because of the limited amount of space I have, I actually want to turn this into a pasta now, because yesterday I actually did the pasta separately. So we're going to do it together with them. It's already cooked, so I'm just going to add a bit of water, then we'll add pasta back into this and get it cooked. And we'll pump that heat back up to maybe 4. Right, pump it back up to 4, and then we're just going to wait for it to boil. And then we're going to add the pasta back into it. So that's this because I don't have a separate pot to do a pasta. I do, but then we've already got this on here, so there's not much space. So we're just going to reconstitute the thing back with water, because it's mostly oil and pasta will cook in oil. It cooks in water, which is why we added water to that. But really hungry now. So as soon as this boils, we're going to add the pasta into it. probably gonna flip this soon.
Alright, flip these bad boys. Oh, they look cool. Wow.
Smoke's coming out, so we're going to add the pasta into it. This was a pack of pasta I used yesterday. Alright, give this a stir, and then we'll keep adding. We're going to keep adding water to this until the pasta is cooked, and then it's going to reduce back to an oil. That's happened is I forgot soy sauce. I really like the oil because most of the oil from the pork and the lamb has actually gone into this, so it's actually infused now. But I want to make this into a juice, but I forgot the soy sauce. So what we're going to do now is just go add the veggies into the pan, and then we're going to let it simmer because most of this has already been seared and cooked. But I'm just going to add the veggies now. Alright. Just need to move this to the side a bit. Create some space. Alright. Grab our veggies. And this is really simple, guys. Just put it in. There's nothing fancy to what we're about to do. Just take off the water. Bring it back in. And then for the tomatoes, we don't need to use all of them, but just some. Just gonna pour it around. Alright, so we're gonna coat these tomatoes just so that the juices come out, but I still want to retain the shape. Then we're going to turn down the heat to about 4, and then pop the lid on it. And what that's going to do is going to steam everything and then cook everything to the to perfection, you know. And we'll probably get a juice, but we probably won't. So, because we don't have soy sauce, I really wanted soy sauce. All right, so see how this is turned back into an oil now. So we need to add a bit more water because the pasta isn't cooked yet. And then that's going to cook the pasta again up until the point where it's ready, and then we'll turn down the heat to reduce it back to an oil. And yeah, it should be good. Our sweet potato, look at that, already cooked. So we're gonna leave it in there. We're gonna bring it out once we're ready to eat. All right, guys. So remember how I was bummed out that I didn't have any soy sauce? Just remember, this has soy sauce, isn't it? So I'm actually gonna use this for our food today. Then we'll try and see what we can do to turn it into something more, you know what I mean? Now we're going to add that back into the pot of the meat. We're going to add the noodles as well. And now we can add some water so that it can make some juice. For the noodles, you don't need to worry about it. Just put it somewhere because the steam will actually cook it. Even if you just leave it like that, it'll cook like that. Just gotta put it somewhere like there. Alright. Now we're gonna add these to that. To here. Alright, so if you guys can see, we've already added the things that were inside the noodle pack, which is the powder there, the seasoning, the onions. But in this corner here, I've actually placed the soy sauce and the chili sauce that was inside the pack. Now, I didn't want to spread it out all over the food because then it won't distribute evenly around the entire food. So I put it here intentionally so that when I add the water now, I can add it straight to this spot that had the seasoning and stuff, and it's going to actually move it around the entire food. So see, so the water is now carried it all over the food, and now we're just gonna place the lid back on and then let it steam. Look at that, it's already looking really good. Just double check on this. I think the pasta's cooked. Gonna fry it up. Al dente. Alright, so food's almost cooked, almost forgot. I wouldn't mind some rice with my food, so we're gonna get some rice. I'm just gonna take out this sweet potato, place it to the side, grab myself some rice. Yeah, we'll use that one. Now this was actually quite new. I didn't know they had microwave rice here in Australia because I've been gone for so long. We're just going to press it for a bit. That's what the instruction says. And then we're going to tear the side. Not too big. I'm just going to tear it a little bit. That's a nice tear. You guys can see there. Yep. Pop it in the oven, in the microwave, in the oven. And then 1 minute and 30 seconds. All right. Check on the sweet potato. So look, it's cooked. I can actually just press it and it will break open. That's how easy sweet potato is. All right, so see that juice developing I told you guys about? It's exactly what we wanted. But the noodle is almost cooked. Tomatoes still retaining. The tomatoes still retaining their shape. So just gonna turn it a bit more down, probably to 2, and then we'll let the sauce just simmer a bit, you know. The pasta's ready, so food is almost ready. We should have a result for you pretty soon. Just came out for a smoke. But like a low heat. And if I saw a low so like a low heat. Công cao đấy có đấy kỹ số. Công có đấy kỹ số liệu ông số cao là Asia. Cô mong mẹ mua mà đi mẹ. Alright, so we're gonna plate now. I'll show you the results, guys. Can't wait. Alright guys, so finally done with our cooking. I hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. I'm going to show you the results now. And yeah, really anxious to eat at the moment because it looks so good. But yeah, we'll show you guys it now. So starting from this side, we've got our rice. We heat it in the microwave. I put some of that oil from the meat, our pak choy and tomatoes that we steam together with the meat. And then our main plate. Yeah, that's just one plate. Our main plate. Far out. So we've got our sweet potato. We've got our pork loin, pork belly, I think. Oh man. We've got our pasta, our lamb chop, and another pork belly there. Pork ribs. Oh, there's a tomato there. How did that get there? Here where the tomatoes are. Alright, and to top it all off, bam, Kool-Aid. Well, not Kool-Aid. It was actually the cordial we got from the store. And there we have it, guys. That is our menu for today. Our Sunday toonai. I'm really looking forward to digging into this. It's probably one of the best meals I'll ever have while in Australia. Because surely I didn't eat like this when I was in uni. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. I know I did, making it for you guys. Have a great Sunday, guys. Just want to say thank you for the support. Really appreciate it, guys. And you know, I really love the growth of the channel. So I'm gonna dig into this. Have my toonai now. The reason why it's still big, it's so big, is because I'm not gonna finish it all today. I'm gonna use some for my lunch this week, which starts tomorrow. So I'm gonna leave some of it for lunch tomorrow. So yeah, I'm gonna sign off, guys. I'm really hungry now. But we'll definitely catch you guys on our next episode. If you enjoyed today's content, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share our channel, guys, and we'll definitely catch you on our next episode. But until then, God bless, take care, stay safe. See you guys.